Hello everyone, this is lesson number 20, HSK free, and we already finished 1/3 of our HSK free course. So, we're moving very fast. First word for today, let's repeat what we learned. 迟到, to be late. It's a verb. 欢迎, to welcome someone. 结婚, to get married. 银行, bank. And new word for today is 同事, colleague, 同事. Let's see. My colleague is very warm-hearted. 我的同事很热情。我的同事，my 同事 not 同事 colleague 很 is very or is very 很热情 warm-hearted 我的同事很热情Next one, my colleague helps me carry things. 同事帮我拿东西。同事 colleague 帮我 to help me helps me 帮我拿 here's to carry things or bring the things also could be take 拿东西 to take things carry things 拿东西 so 同事帮我拿东西Next one, he married his colleague. 他跟同事结婚了。he 跟同事 colleague 他跟 here is 跟 with someone. In English, he's married his colleague, but you can say he's married with his colleague or on his colleague. But in English, you don't need to do this. 他跟同事 with colleague 结婚了。结婚 is to get married. And this because we have love, because it's past simple. He's married, so it's also a verb. 结婚了。他跟同事结婚了。He's get married with his colleague. Next word for today is 以前 before previously. It's pretty hard to be honest. 以前 before previously, but let's see. We try. Before I was very fat. 以前我很胖。胖 is a fat. So 我很胖 I very fat. But I was. Why I was? Because 以前 before or previously 以前我很胖 Before I was very fat. Let's see another example. He previously worked at a bank.他以前在银行工作。他以前 he before 以前在 at somewhere at where 在银行 at a bank at the bank or at a bank 银行工作 to work somewhere. So 他以前在银行工作。He previously worked at the bank, worked in the bank. But in Chinese we need to say 他以前 before 在银行工作. So there's verb right in the end. But in English we can say work at the bank. He previously at bank worked in Chinese. And last one, before I wasn't late. 以前我不迟到，迟到。以前 before 我不迟到. Here is translation a bit not so correct as I think. Let's see some variation. 以前我不 I used to be late. In the past, I was prone to being late. I was tardy. I would be tardy. I had a tendency to be late. I used to be tardy. So it's not so good sentences, as I think. 以前我不迟到，好像 I wasn't before I wasn't late. I didn't late. Let's skip this one. This one is not so good. Next word, it's 久. As you can see, this 以前 pretty simple. This two can represent 久 a long while. What does it mean? It means a long period of time. Let's see. I waited for a long while. 我等了很久很久。等了 it's to wait. 等了 because past simple, so waited. 我等了 I waited 很久 for a long time. Or I waited very long. I waited for so much, for so long time. 我等了很久很久。So let's see the next example. He's been gone for a long time. 他离开很久了。他离开 he 离开 it's to leave somewhere, to leave some place, to be gone for a long. So 离开很久很久。很久 it's for a long period of time, but 很久了。Here is le. He's been gone for a long time. He has been gone for a long time. I think in English he didn't return, right? He's still gone. He has been. He spent a considerable amount of time away. I think he's still not here. So here's let's just 离开了很久了. Maybe it's just past simple here. Maybe it's worked together with 很久了 to represent before he was there, but 很久了 a very long time he's not here. 他离开很久了很久了. This slide is a bit tricky. Let's say another one. This is pretty okay. We haven't chatted for a long while or for a long time. 我们很久没聊天儿。我们很久 we very long time 没 didn't or haven't 聊天儿。As you can see, here is 聊天 and then r, but we need to read it not tnr but tr. This n is skipped, and this from tn transfer to tr. 我们很久 没聊天儿。We haven't chatted for a long. Last word for today is 感兴趣。感兴趣。感 it's to feel something. 兴 and 兴趣 it's interested. So feel interesting or to be interested in something. 感兴趣 let's see. I'm interested in music. 我对音乐感兴趣。我对音乐 I'm to here 对 for to something or in something 对音乐我对音乐 or regard to something 我对音乐感兴趣 feel to be interested in 我对音乐 you can say 很感兴趣 or just 感兴趣我对音乐感兴趣His colleague is interested in competitions 他同事对比赛感兴趣。他同事 his colleague 同事 or you can say 他的同事 or because it's a person we can omit this the and say just 他同事对比赛 for competition or in competition 对比赛感兴趣 to feel to be interested in something so his colleague is interested in competition 他同事对比赛感兴趣And last one for today is she is interested in exercising 她对锻炼感兴趣 As you can see this pattern 对什么什么感兴趣的对 something something 感兴趣 So 她对锻炼 it's exercising So 她对锻炼感兴趣to feel interested in something 她对锻炼感兴趣 She is interested in exercising. Let's repeat what we learned today. It was 4 words. 同事 colleague. 以前 before previously 以前 usually is, in the beginning of the sentence as you can see 以前我以前 you can say 以前我 or 我以前很胖 also can be 久 a long time a long period of time maybe some other variation 久 long old forever far overdue enduring longer just a long for a long time and but you cannot say long for an object it's like long long car or long bus you cannot say because it's about time so for some things long things we can use 长 for time also we can say 很长时间 but 久 just to represent 很长时间 and last one 感兴趣 to be interested in something so we still have one new idiom for today last time we learned 一举两得 one action 2 results 2 gains so it's just kill 2 birds with 1 stone 一举两得 today we learn new one this is very very popular it's 人山人海人 it's a person 山 it's a mountain and 海 it's a sea of people or very crowded 人山人海 let's see the example during the festival the park is very crowded 节日时公园人山 人山山人山人海。节 it's a festival or 节日 day of the festival. 时 or 的时候 or 是 at the time of something. So 节日是 during the festival. 公园 park 公园人山人海 very very big amount of people. So 人山人海. So this is all for today and see you tomorrow.